E-invoicing should not require a compliance specialist. InvoiceGuard HQ turns the process into 4 clear steps. Start with the seller. Add the legal business identity, address, tax details, and payment information. Then add the buyer and the identifiers their accounting system needs. Build the invoice with dates, currency, payment terms, line items, prices, and VAT. Totals are calculated as you work. Review everything once. Then generate the structured file. Before download, InvoiceGuard HQ validates the invoice against EN 16931. A clear result tells you whether the file is ready. You can also check structured invoices received from suppliers before they enter your books. Create yours. Check theirs. Use the e-invoice studio free at invoiceguardhq.com/e-invoice.